This is a Neptunus 5555 that we spent about 4 days detailing. And for the outside, we just did a very thorough wash. It had built up some green moss and mold while it was waiting to be sold. The new owner asked us to come in and do a very thorough interior detailing, which we did. We spent over 24 hours over the course of 3 days cleaning all the leather, vinyl, hard plastic, all this wood paneling was thoroughly cleaned, both inside and out of the cabinets, all the counter surfaces, all the kitchen areas, all the stainless. Just a really thorough, in-depth cleaning. And then down to the, I think those were bamboo floors. We steamed those, and then we did all of the berths, 2 heads, and so we just did a real thorough top to bottom, inside and out, everything. This owner was ready for their new boat to sparkle, as they put it. And that's exactly what we've got here, is a really nice sparkly new boat. If you need help servicing your boat, making it sparkle again, whether you're buying or selling, or just like to maintain it right, feel free to get a hold of us at www.seattleboatdetailing.com. If you're in the Seattle area. If you're in the San Diego area, you can reach us at sandiegobotdetailing.com. And if you have a boat in another area, feel free to contact us and we can hook you up with a detailer near you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.